everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm very excited to share this recipe with you all as it is my mom's recipe. It is called egg samber or egg curry. It is very simple to make but it tastes amazingly good and great combination for chapati, roti, naan and also ragi mudde. Alva? So why delay? Let's get started and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications. So first we need to grind the masala. For this we need half cup of onion, 1 whole garlic and 2-inch ginger, 2-inch cinnamon stick and 3 cloves, 1 cup coconut. You can use either dry coconut or fresh coconut, half cup coriander leaves, 1 tomato roughly chopped, 1 tablespoon chili powder and 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Add half tablespoon roasted poppy seeds which gives a nice thickness to the curry. Add 1 cup of water and make a smooth paste out of it. So our masala paste is ready. Now to make the curry, in a pan take 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard splutters, add 20 curry leaves, half cup onion. The onion in oil for a minute. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, pinch of salt, now add the grinded masala paste. The masala paste smells really good. Add 3 cups of water to the mixie jar and add to the pan. Now I am adding 1 more cup, so totally I am adding 4 cups of water. The curry looks thin now, but once it boils well and cools down, it gets thick. Now add salt to taste. Now I am adding 1 finely chopped tomato. I like the pieces of tomato in the curry. If you don't like it, you can totally skip this. Let it boil very well. Now it's time to add the egg. Just crack the egg and dump it into the curry. You don't have to mix it. Don't put the egg one over the other. Put it in different spots and keep the flame low while adding the egg and don't mix it. We don't want egg to scramble, so cook it for 3 to 4 minutes without mixing. We want eggs to take the shape. You can see eggs are taking the shape, but still it has to cook well. So it's been 4 minutes. It's boiling well. Our eggs have been cooked. Now garnish with some coriander leaves and turn off the flame. Our delicious egg curry is ready. Isn't it very simple to make? And enjoy with chapati, roti, naan. Even it's a great combination for idli, dosa also, and rice, of course, ragi mudde. So everyone try this recipe and let me know how it came. And everyone be happy, be healthy and be safe.